The main benefit of living in a subdivision is the idea that you have a heightened sense of protection. A big deal especially for those with children. Hi guys, good morning! Today, nasa Manchester Village tayo, isa sa mga exclusive community ng Lancaster New City. At ito ang ating Alexandra Single Attached House. Guys, si Alexandra ay merong minimum lot area na 120 square meter. Dahil malaki na ang lupa nito, kasya ang dalawang sasakyan at meron ka pang space para naman sa maliit na garden o landscape. By the way, kasama sa turnover ang fence and gate. Next, ang service area. Napakaluwag ng service area o back area ng Alexandra. Pwede itong gamitin as kitchen extension para mas lalong maluwag at maaliwalas ang loob ng bahay. Sa turnover naman natin, naka-aluminum sliding door and windows na tayo, maliban na lang sa main door na naka-steel at yung mga nasa kwarto na naka-wood na yon. Naka-tiles ang flooring up to the second floor, painted in white ang walls, also tiled kitchen counter with stainless kitchen sink, tiled toilet and bath with complete bathroom fixtures. Si Alexandra ay merong 4 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bath at ito ang unang bedroom dito sa first floor. Perfect ito sa mga merong elderly sa family o kung wala naman, pwedeng gawing home office para sa mga nag-work from home. One noticeable feature ng Alexandra single house natin ay yung cathedral style window nito. Grabe kapag nilagyan ito ng mahaba at magandang kortina, it can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal ng bahay. Plus, the natural light that penetrates the interior. Di lang ito nakakatipid sa kuryente, it also creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Unahin na natin ang master bedroom na merong sariling toilet and bath at access sa balcony. Napakaluwag nito kaya pwedeng-pwede ka maglagay ng built-in cabinet o kaya naman mini living area. At yung balcony, dahil walang harang, mas mahangin. Kaya naman masarap dito tumambay sa umaga, hapon o kaya sa gabi. Next, yung 2 bedrooms. Spacious din at kasya dyan ang double to queen size bed. Hindi yan tinipid at perfect yan para sa mga binata o kaya dalaga na gusto i-express ang kanilang ideas, their style, and their individuality. And last, another toilet and bath with complete bathroom fixtures pa rin. So, ayan guys ang ating Alexandra Single Attached House dito sa Manchester Village, Lancaster New City, General Trias, Cavite. Malapit lang to sa Metro Manila, 30 to 40 minutes away from MOA via Cavitex. At mas malapit ito sa ginagawang River Park, yung pinakabagong township na tinagurian the next Gen City of the South na i-develop ni Federal Land. Guys, free tripping tayo everyday. Contact number ko nandyan sa screen. See you and goodbye.